Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.